Hello and welcome to my workshop. If you are new here, my name is Annalisa and I design and make silicone molds. In this video, I want to take you along with me and show you what I have been up to in my workshop. I've spent days last week laser cutting and engraving acrylic to restock the mold blanks on my Etsy store. I have also been working on new designs. These are the designs that I have been working on this week. I'm making these dog breed paws. I plan to make more breeds, so if you have a specific breed that you would like me to make, feel free to leave a comment down below with the name of the dog breed. I've also made a menorah, which is a revision of a design which was previously offered in plastic. And for the last design, I have a bull terrier on an armchair. Those are for the molds that I will be releasing this week, and these are the mold blanks that I will be restocking this week. The mold blanks are not being made to order at the moment, so due to stock management purposes, I am only selling them through my Etsy store. I will leave a link to my Etsy in the description. These are a couple of the molds released last week. This is the first dog breed paw that I've made, featuring the bull terrier and also a side profile of the bull terrier. I'm also making wooden laser engraved plant markers, amongst other things. Here's a couple that I have recently released. And here are the mold blanks that are still available from last week's restock. This week I have also added some single blanks without the mold housing for anyone that prefers to build their own housing or customize the trays to their preference. These can also be used as charms for various craft projects. By the time that this video is published, all products shown will be available. I will leave links in the description. Also, before I end this video, I want to remind you that the free mold promotion that is available exclusively through my website will be ending by the end of June. But for now, you still have the chance to benefit from the promotion, where you will receive 1 free mold for every 3 molds purchased. So for example, if you purchase 4 molds, 1 will be free, and if you purchase 8 molds, you will get 2 free, and so on. No coupon code is required. The promotion is automatically applied when you add 4 molds or more into your cart. Thank you for being here. See you in the next video.